Are you in the market for an LED grow light that will blow your mind? If so, you need to stay tuned because I've got just the light for you. Starting right now. Alright guys, so we are back and we are here. Oh, it's been such a long time since I put out a video. If you want to know what we've been up to, check out the video right here. It's sort of an update on where we've been, what we've been doing, just some of the craziness that's been going on. Definitely check out that video. Got some cool things coming up on the channel. So, but without getting too much into that, let's dive right into this video right here. Start now by clicking the subscribe icon and clicking the bell so you don't miss out on anything. Alright, so guys, a couple of months ago, a company reached out to me. Spider Farmer reached out to me and they wanted me to review their LED grow light. Now, for those of you that have been following the channel for a while, you know that I've done that in the past and I love doing it. I love grow lights and I love growing stuff indoors. So this was a perfect opportunity for me to review this light. So I said, absolutely, send me the product and we will get started. That was the last thing that went my way. So since sending the product, I have had setback after setback after setback. And Spider Farmer has been wonderful. They have been exceptionally patient and understanding with all the setbacks and the problems that we faced here with the channel, and just the situation worldwide and all the things that have come from that. So, Spider Farmer has been wonderful. They've been patient. They've been so understanding with all the situations that have gone on. I've had a PC crash, which, oh Lord, it's happened more than once, and I never seem to learn my lesson. So, with that, and we've also were forced to move with the situation. We were sheltering in place, and now we had to move. Now you see the background here. You've seen this background before. I have filmed here before, the last few videos. Anyways, long story. Excuse me. This is a family house that we were moving into, but we had to do some work on it first. Anyways, long story. Setback after setback after setback. Spider Farmer has been wonderful and understanding. So they sent me this grow light. This is for the Spider Farmer LED SF1000. Hopefully I got that right. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. But this is for the 1000-watt LED grow light that you can see right here over my shoulder. I've been using this for a few months and I'm super impressed with its performance. So what happened is that I had the footage of the unboxing and a review, and then computer crashed. I lost all that footage, so I had to go back and refilm this video for them. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. For the record, I put everything back in the box. I'm sort of special about keeping packaging. My wife really hates it that I keep stuff like that, but I keep stuff like that until a project is done, and then I know that the product is working and all of that good stuff, which you can see that. So I put it all back in the box, and just to take it out of the box again, just a day in the life of John. So without further ado, let's jump into unboxing this light again, so that you can check out the just the overall quality and the overall packaging. Spoiler, I'm impressed. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the light. I do, it's crazy, but I saved all of the boxes until I've completed a project. So I had the box, I just put everything back in the box. So with the original packing, I know that's crazy, but I don't know, I'm sort of OCD about that. So without further ado, like, I've already opened it, of course. Like I said, I lost that footage. But let's open this again. Alright, so it comes out, and in the box, you're going to have, it says, I don't know if you see that, Spider Farmer I've just been calling it Spider, but it's actually Spider Farmer. And I'll put links in the description below for this particular light and just to them. Like I said, they've been so great, so understanding with this project. And they have, I'll put a link to their support here as well as this light. So little info packet, talks about the spectrum and the different details. So definitely check that out. Alright guys, so this is the packaging once it comes out of the box. So I'm really impressed with how they did this. It's pretty creative. So you've got a sort of a semi-hard cardboard panel. And then when you take this off, it's got styrofoam built in for the corners. Okay, so you got opposite corners, there you go. And then it's got a piece in the middle to protect the light in transit. So I'm pretty impressed with the packaging so far. I have had things come in that were just packaged terribly, or it just didn't work or anything like that right out of the box. But I'm impressed with this packaging. So Spider Farmer is doing packaging right. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So let's go ahead and look at the light. Now, I did put all this back in the box, like I said earlier, but I will say that my initial reaction when taking this out of the box, and still, is that it's very well built. It doesn't necessarily have to be heavy. It's not heavy per se, but it's definitely well constructed. What I mean by that is, if you look at this, the hard panel, okay, this very durable metal panel here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a good thickness. And so it's very durable. It's reflective around the edges, just like on the back. It is reflective, which is always a bonus when you're using an LED light. For me specifically, I don't have an area set up just yet for a grow tent. I do plan on it, but I don't have one yet. So the reflective area definitely helps me because I need all of the light to hit the plants, or at least hit the area that I'm trying to focus in on. So the reflective area is a must. It does have a good number of LED lights here. Like I said, it's very well built. The cords already come attached, which I've seen some fixtures where the cords didn't come attached already. The cord is a nice, it feels like a good quality cord. There's nothing worse than you getting something that the cord is kind of, I don't know, less than ideal, because you are using a light fixture here, and you don't want the cord to fail and cause a fire. So this cord is a heavy duty cord. I would say it's probably the cord here is probably like at least, I don't know, I would say it's probably 14 to 16 gauge. It's a good thickness. You've got your standard plug here with the ground. Okay. In addition to that, you've got the pre-packaged hangers. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I will say that I am pretty OCD about it, but I couldn't just call it. I couldn't get this wound back up. It does come nicely packaged, with a little rubber band around it, and so it's nicely packaged. But I will say that it comes with 2 of these, where some of them only come with 1, so that's definitely a bonus. It comes with 2 of the hangers. It also comes with this little, packaging. Gives you some simple instructions on as far as hanging it up. And then it comes with, of course, the cable hangers as well that are going to attach to the light itself. So overall, I'm really impressed with the components. Like I said, this light is fantastic. It's very well made. The hangers are pretty standard. Most hangers are pretty standard. But I will say these do seem on the higher end, so pretty impressed with that. I am impressed that it does come with the 2. So I'm definitely impressed with the packaging, the durability, the construction of it. Spider Farmer has done a really good job at manufacturing this light. And so I have been using it for a couple of months now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this all hooked back up. and then I'm going to show you what it looks like hooked up, and then I'm going to put out another video talking about what it's done, how it's done, in comparison to some other lights that I've used in the past, and just give you some more background as far as what it's done for me. All right. Alright guys, so since we've taken a look at the unboxing of the light, I've had this light hooked up for a few months now, and I'm super impressed, as I shared with you, with packaging and just the build quality. But not only that, but I'm also super impressed with the performance of this light. Now I will say, as I said earlier in the video during the unboxing, I don't have a grow tent. And the reason for that is I just don't have the space. I would love to have the space, and in the future, potentially have my own grow cave. Maybe. I've been wanting to do that for a while, so maybe. But right now, we're actually just in our dining room. There's a fridge to my left here. There's a hutch, sort of a decorative area right here behind us. And normally, the table would go right here where I'm standing. So, anyways, so I don't really have the room for a grow tent, but I do have the room to hang up a light and put some plants underneath. Now, right now, because it is the middle of summer, I don't have any plants growing with the move and all of that sort of stuff. But I have used this earlier with that older footage. I had some pepper plants growing under it, and I'm so super impressed with its performance. The peppers grew great. They had great, robust foliage. But right now, I've got some tacos. Alright, so as I was saying, guys, I'm thoroughly impressed with just the build quality and the packaging. But in addition to that, man, this light has been working great for me. This is the SF1000, so it puts out an incredible amount of light. It would be so much better if I had a grow tent, but it's such is. I can't really do much about that right now. In the future, potentially, but overall, this light has been doing phenomenal for me. Just look at the growth that are on these. These are just ivies, and they don't take a lot of light, but it's really been doing good. These ivies are doing fantastic. They're putting out new growth every single day, it seems like. So yeah, I mean they're doing fantastic. So I am thoroughly impressed with this. But if you are in the market for an LED grow light, it would be very challenging to find one that is built this well, that works this well. So definite thumbs up, 2 thumbs up to Spider Farmer. Thank you for sending me this product for free to let me review it, so that my fans, my subscribers, fans, whatever you want to call them, the Backyard Eating Club, whatever, the friends, if you will, so that they can have just another resource for a light that works great. So if you want to check out Spider Farmer, I'll leave links in the description below. They've got some great products, and they make them in obviously different wattages. So if you don't need the 1000 watt, I'm sure the other lights that they have are just as good of quality and performance as well. So definitely check out. They've also got some really good warranty info right here on this, so definitely check them out. I'll leave those links. And I'm really super thankful for Spider Farmer. Thank you again for thinking of me. Thank you for being patient and understanding. I hope you like this video, and I hope that it does what it needs. So feel free to share it. If you know someone that's needing a grow light, feel free to share this video on social media, wherever you need to share it to get this video out to them. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe icon below. And make sure you hit that bell. Smash that bell so you will get future videos. Just get notified so you can watch them. So we've got some cool things coming up on the channel. I'm super stoked. So thank you once again to Spider Farmer. Thank you to the subscribers. We have reached some huge milestones, so thank you for that. If you want to get in on the conversation, definitely check out the link to the Facebook group down below. Check out backyard-eden.com. We've got some really cool things coming up over there. And without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Peace.